Welcome to South Florida. Do you have a screen enclosure like this? You can make these support beams useful and beautiful. Take the brackets and introducing ScreenPlanter. They slip right on, there's no tools required. Take the ScreenPlanter box and attach it with the Velcro that's right on top. You can put plants right in there on any support beam. Or if you prefer, you can take it right off and you can use the same brackets in the corner. Also available is CORNER ScreenPlanter. Usually it's an underutilized space in the corner. You can fill it with plants or even wine and cheese or pool toys. This is what ScreenPlanter looks like. I've planted my succulents. There's the brackets underneath. Beautiful design. Take your screened patio and make it useful and beautiful with ScreenPlanter. Check out ScreenPlanter.com.